April here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you the 5 positions of ballet. Well, of the arms in ballet. So this video is going to be a 2-part video. This is the first part. This part is going to emphasize on the positions of the arms in ballet, while the second part is going to emphasize on the position of the feet in ballet. So if you're interested in that, you should go down below and click that subscribe button so you're notified when I post the positions of the feet. So yes, let's get into the video. Alright, so the positions of the arm are pretty simple. So you start by standing normally, your arms are here. Now, one thing I want to also talk about is the positions of your fingers. These confused me for the longest time. So for the position of your arms, you position them in a way that you're going to eat a burger. That's basically what I learned. So you're like this. Your arms should be something like this. You know, with your pointers kind of facing out and you're holding the burger with the rest of your fingers. This one closest to your thumb, right? So yeah, that's what I learned. So you start like this with your shoulders pressed down and your chest, well, engaged, everything engaged. So you're like this. Now first position is all the way up. So this is first position, where your arms are literally like this in front of you. Now second position is quite simple as well. All you need to do is open your arms up. So you're like this. Right. And then third position, you raise your right arm up and you're in third. Now fourth position, wait, this is third in this way. Now fourth position is you bringing your arm in. The arm that was down, you're bringing it in. So that's fourth position. Now fifth position, you bring the other arm up. So that is fifth position. Those are the 5 positions of ballet. Now we're going to go over it one more time. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Another time. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Congratulations if you got it. So those are basically the 5 positions of the arms in ballet. I want you to stay tuned for the part 2 of this video, which is the 5 positions of the feet in ballet. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, turn on post notifications so you're notified when I post the part 2. See you then. We'll see you then.